Hey guys, welcome to this video where we're going to go and make a t-shirt. We're going to create the design ourselves using the Canva website or the Canva app. And then we're going to make the actual t-shirt and be able to fulfill it on teespring.com. So we're going to go to create a design. I'm going to just go to t-shirt really quick. Just make something really easy. We're just going to use some text. Let's go to create a heading. How about a nice little be all you can be? Right, then we'll pick a font. There's a bunch of fonts in here that are free. All these ones with a little crown next to it are the pro version, so you got to pay for those. But if you just use some things, it'll give you the option to pay for it with a credit, and that makes it a little bit more affordable if you just want to use like a little piece of clip art or something. But we don't really care about clip art right now. We're just going to do some basic stuff. Oops. See, there you go. It's trying to offer it to me, but you don't have to. You don't have to at all. So then we just go, let's just do beach resort. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Whoa, that's a little bit too big, about 120. And then make it fit the screen. And see, as I'm dragging it, you can see now it's perfectly in the middle centered, and now it's perfectly in the top in the middle. Boom. It makes it really easy for you to get stuff straight. That way you don't have awkward angles and stuff. So, see, it's going to say to make it into a transparent background, you got to pay for that, but we have a workaround for that. So we're going to go down to download. Okay, so now that we got the Be All You Can Be, we're going to go to Teespring, start designing, and we're going to show you why this doesn't work right off the bat. Well, you can't just take that, why you need that transparent background. So the most popular colors clothes come in are black, white, navy blue, gray, and red. So we're going to select those ones. We're going to add our image to Be All You Can Be. But see, it's got that white background. We don't want that. So we're going to head over here to onlinepngtools.com/create-transparent-png. So as you can see, we're going to select our picture. This is the one we got, one we just made. So there you go, it just popped it all up. And see the transparency color, it's going to take away the white, so now it's just the Be All You Can Be text with no background. So then we're going to go to Save As, Download, and it's always going to put this as the name of your picture or the file. It's always going to say Output, Online Program Tools, whatever. So just to make it easy to find it later, we're going to go to Rename Be All You Can Be Transparent, right? That way we know that it's transparent. And then we're going to go over to the Teespring launcher, click this, we're going to delete that, add image, Be All You Can Be Transparent, boom, there you go. Now it's there. If we want to throw it on the back part, we can. Front, back, same. Or we can do this. I got my own logo, so how about we just throw my logo on there? Boom. So there we go. Now we can resize this, make it a little bit smaller. And as it says print quality here, that has to do with how many pixels are in the picture. So if we go to, and say, let's say you're making a picture and it says it's like good, right? Good, but you want it to be great, right? You want it to be great, so let's make it great. So we're going to open up Paint, just the normal Paint. I don't know how to do this with a Mac, so you're going to have to figure that on your own. But we'll open up this one right here, And then we go to home. I've already done this because it was smaller when I made it, but just to see what we can do with it, we're going to make it 3000 pixels. So now it's obviously a little bit bigger. And then now we can delete this one. Oh wait, yeah, we gotta save this, but let's go file save as. Cool. SMG. Let's just go with that. Let's name it 3. Okay. So now it said the transparency will be lost, so that's a problem. Because now that it's been resized, now it needs to be retransparentized. So there we go. Now we got it retransparentized. So now we go to, oops, that's just blowing it up for us so we can see it. And let's go to rename SSNG, SSNS logo, transparent, large. So we know that's the larger one in case we want to put it on something else with a big logo. See, so there we go. And as you can see, it still says good, but good is better than bad. See? So, and then as we're going to, it snaps, which is really nice. It'll snap onto the middle. See, as it's going, it'll go pop, snap on the middle. And we can make sure it's right there, right in the middle. Be all you can be, front and back. And then see right here, we can change it to only be $20. Only be 20 euros too, so they can save some money. Why not? And so right now what we have is done is this one t-shirt. So this is now giving you the option to apply it to tank tops, women's shirts, hoodies, etc., etc., etc. See, the socks looks pretty cool. Not bad, not bad. The leggings, not so bad. Yeah, so let's go down. Let's see what else we can do. Accessories. So, as you can see, we can see we got a couple of cool things if it loads. There we go. And then some stickers too, maybe. All these things are all possible. So you can make a tapestry, a beach towel, all kinds of things. So we can just select the pillow if we wanted to, but that doesn't look right. Right, so it's got these borders, so we're gonna bring it down a little bit. And then we're gonna center it in the middle again and preview it, see what it looks like. Definitely still looks a little bit messed up, so let's make it a little bit smaller. Again, you always want to make sure that the print quality is good, at least good. Wow, see? Now that looks great. Looks like I might actually throw that one up. Coolio. So that's been how to make a t-shirt and then how to turn it into a pillow. Make anything you want, really. Thanks to teespring.com. Have fun, guys.